Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do page 29 already in this gorgeous book. We are nearing the end, only a couple of pages to go. And before we get started, I want to tell you that I have revived my memberships. A couple of weeks ago I temporarily stopped my memberships. I also removed it and I revived it. So if you are interested to become a Magic member, please go to the link in the description box and join me in a lot of fun stuff for coloring, especially if you choose the Magic Spell book level. I am going to do a color along page every month, but I let music pick the page. So I'm going to randomly pick a song from a list of 4,000 songs, and I'm trying to find a page that matches that song. It is kind of like my hashtag, color that song. And it can be the title, the band name, something in the lyrics. And I'm going to do a color along for that page. And if you want to join, you can join me with the page, or you can find your own page that relates to that song. So lots of fun and lots of fun things on the membership. So go to the link in the description box and join me. So now we are going to do this page. Really cute. I pulled some bright colors. These are for the candy, so that's obvious. These are for the eyes. So these three are left for this little dragon kind of monster. Still a bit hesitant if I'm going to do him all bright or just some little shades. I think I'm going to do him overall pink. This color is RV260. This is just pink, and I'm going to put in some detailing with the RV100, and the ears and the inside of the face and the belly is going to be this one. This is E220 Sand. So without further ado, it is coffee this time because I'm recording this at night. Grab your supplies, grab yourself a drink, and let's have some fun together. Look how cute he is. I decided to go with the lighter shade of pink. Because I thought this color was really, really strong. And I love it. I love it with the browns color and the little candy he has. I love the buck teeth, by the way. And still in love with the color combination of the eyes. So number 29, the cute one at the end of the book. He is adorable. Let's go to the leaves. Here we go. Don't forget to put something in the back. I'm going to go with the pink, of course. And now I am going to take the bright pink. Let's see. Color of number 29. And please keep an eye on the channel because number 31 is going to be a longer video because then we're going to finish this page and we are also going to do the title page. Let me see. It's brown. Yeah, it's cute. So that's going to be a little bit longer. So I'm going to do 3 pages to finish the entire book. But first, tomorrow we need to do number 30. Let's see what that one is. It is this one. Let's see how we're going to do this one. Because I see a lot of grays with the tombstone. Some greens. I'm going to do this, the Plague Doctor's mask. Yeah, and I think it's going to be a raven or a crow. So it's going to be a dark gray with light grays. But we'll see. Still have to sleep over it one night. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and for following along. Please don't forget to check out the membership. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to start it this weekend with the first song for November. So I hope you will join me. For now, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for following the channel. And I would love to see you tomorrow in the 30th page to do in this gorgeous book. Bye-bye.